Hello pals, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to deactivate your Facebook Messenger's account. For some reason, if you're using Facebook Messenger and you got bored, you were being disturbed too much and you feel like you don't need the Facebook Messenger anymore, and if you deactivate your Facebook Messenger, just know that you'll still have your Facebook account active until you deactivate that as well. So for some reason, if you want to deactivate your Facebook Messenger account, I'm going to show you how to do that on this video. No, I'm not deactivating my account, but I'm just going to show you how to deactivate your own account if you want to do that in this video. So let's go ahead and open our Facebook Messenger. Now all you need to do is to click on the image icon at the top just before the chat area. Go ahead and click on that. So now you've clicked on it, all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit to the bottom where it says account settings. Go ahead and click on the account settings. Wait for it to load. It's going to load up your settings. So once it's loaded up, all you need to do is to click on your personal information area. And once you click on this personal information area, you can look at the bottom where it says manage account. Go ahead and click on that. So on the manage account area, you need to click on the deactivate button. Go ahead and click on deactivate, and it's going to ask you for your password. Asking you for your password is just to confirm if you are really the person. So now all you need to do is to put in your password and then click on continue. So once you've done that, it is going to deactivate your Facebook Messenger account, and when you try to log in, you won't be able to log into your Facebook Messenger account, but you'll be able to log into your Facebook account. So that is how to deactivate your Facebook Messenger account. No, I'm not deactivating mine, so I'm not going to click on this password thing. So whenever you want to do that, this is how to do it, and it's pretty easy to do. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please leave a comment below if this video helped you, and if you somehow have some question, please leave it below on the comments area, or you can check me out on my Instagram account on this on my description below. So make sure you follow me, and hopefully I'm going to do my best to keep in touch. And I upload video every day. Please do check and encourage me. Thank you.